सो हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम जा रहे हैं सिद्धि विनायक मंदिर फॉर दर्शन। एंड जस्ट लाइक एवरी ईयर हमारा ये रिचुअल होता है कि स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर में वी गो देयर एंड बप्पा के ब्लेसिंग्स ले। सो आज इस बार थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया, बट यस लेट्स गो टुडे एंड सी दर्शन कैसे होते हैं। एंड आज पब्लिक हॉलीडे भी है, सो आई डोंट नो इफ वहाँ पर गर्दी होगी या नहीं, बट लेट्स गो एंड सी। This is the situation for the taxi. ओके सो ऑनेस्टली आज रश बहुत कम है। लाइक यूजुअली हम सैटरडे संडे को या कोई और दिन आते हैं तो हम बहुत पीछे खड़े होते हैं, बट आज टैक्सी के लिए हम बहुत आगे ही खड़े लाइन में। सो ऑनेस्टली मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज बहुत जल्दी दर्शन हो जाएंगे। व्हाट डू यू थिंक, कितने टाइम लगेगा?
यस, आज रश बहुत कम है तो जल्दी हो जाएगा, मजा आएगा।
लेट्स सी कब तक होता है। एंड उसके बाद वी आर ऑल्सो कमिंग टू दिस रेस्टोरेंट विच इज आवर फेवरेट। लाइक इफ यू आर कमिंग टू सिद्धिविनायक तो यहाँ पर यू कैन रियली हैव सम गुड फूड। आई विल ऑल्सो शो यू दैट आगे। Okay, so there are like two options. One is this one, jहाँ पे you have to pay 100 rupees, and the next one is the normal line. So since there was no crowd, we decided to go from the normal line because वहाँ से भी हमें बहुत कम time लगा. And in fact जो 100 rupees वाला line था वहाँ पर the people were actually waiting. I don't know for what reason, but yeah, we got the darshan literally in 20 minutes. So एक भी टाइम ऐसा नहीं था कि वी हैव टू स्टैंड स्टिल उस लाइन में। बस चलते गए एंड दर्शन हो गए एंड हियर्स फाइनली दैट। So our darshan is finally done, and to be honest, this was the most quick darshan that we did at Siddhivinayak Mandir because 30 minutes के अंदर ही हमारे दर्शन हो गए, and usually it takes an hour or something. So it's very quick today, and also now we are going to the restaurant that I showed you in the start. So let's go there. I'll also share you what are my favorites from that restaurant. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to try is their ghee podi idli, which is amazing. You should definitely try it. Let's try it out together. Yum. It's very soft. How is the vada pav?
Amazing, मजा आया।
Then we also tried their misal pav, and that also tastes really amazing. Let me show it to you. So we have finally completed our main course, and I was so hungry कि मैंने सारी चीज़ें नहीं दिखाई. And but now I'll show you what all we had. And also right now we are also having the dessert here, and the best dessert that you can have here is shahi tukda, the gulab jamun, their sizzling brownie, and their kulfi falda. So whenever you are here, just try it out. It's just amazing. Let me show you what all I had. So we tried their pav bhaji as well. This we have tried previously also. Then this was their Szechuan cheese ball situation. And then we tried their hot pot rice. The dosa was so good. And we also tried their biryani, veg maharaja, and a paneer starter. So right now we are in Mahalakshmi, and we completed, like, we had our lunch, and it's around 6:30 right now, and we decided that we'll also take darshan of Mahalakshmi because every time we come here, like जब सिद्धिविनायक के दर्शन होते हैं, so we complete Mahalakshmi as well. So today also हमने सोचा कि since there is no crowd, let's complete it आज only in one go, so that that's done. So right now we are going to Mahalakshmi Mandir, and we took a train till Mahalakshmi station, and then we took this taxi from there. Let's go. So that's the end for the day. I've completed both the darshan and now I'm heading back home. So until next time, do subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.